So guys, this is what we're gonna do today. I want to show you a few things before we actually do the Greek temple design. So you see this person? I want to make a copy of this person. How would I usually normally do the copy? Control C after you select him, and then Control V, right? So look, one copy. I need 10 copies, right? You're gonna keep doing Control V, Control V, Control V. So you see, Control V, Control V. How many copies I have right now? 7. I have 7, 8, 9, and then let's say 10. So you see, I made 10 copies. Now, under normal circumstances, making copies takes 20 seconds. But I want to save time and do it faster. Here is the fastest way to do it. Okay? I want to undo everything. So there's one copy. To make multiple copies, you guys have to use a move tool. So when you switch the move tool, what's the shortcut? Letter M. When you switch to move tool, you are going to click on that person. And then after that, you are going to click on Control key on your keyboard. When you do that, it's going to Control key. When you guys click on Control key, it's going to make a copy. So here, Control, and then you see I'm able to move this person. You see, second copy. When you are on the move tool, the thing is, you need to decide how far it's gonna go. Is gonna be apart from him. Let's say this is the distance he's gonna apart from him, right? You're gonna place him there. After that, immediately, if you type X and then number you copies you need, for example, 11. If you look on the bottom right corner where it says distance, you see it says distance next to the little doggy here. You see, if you press on X11, it's gonna make 11 copies right away. Showing you one more time. Click on the person with the move tool, press and Control key. It's on the keyboard. And you move him aside. You decide about the distance. Let's say he's gonna be this much distance. When you place him, if you right away type X a number of copies, let's say 100. You look at the right bottom corner, it says distance and X 100. It's gonna make 100 copies of that person with this much distance apart. Enter. See? Now, so after making this many copies, now I want to show you a different way of making this copy. So here, you're gonna move this guy here. You see, move him here. Let me delete it. Things like I made many copies. Okay, here. So we have this person, right? Now I want to make his copies around the circle. Around the circle, guys. So how are we gonna do that? First, you select the guy like this. Okay, that's what you do. First, you select him. Then you get a rotation tool. Then you click on here. You click on the guy. All right, click on Control and then turn him like this. And again, X10. And makes a round copy. Show you one more time, guys. Look, one more time. You're gonna click on Rotate tool. First, you're gonna select the guy. You see, select the guy. He needs to be highlighted blue. You see highlighted blue? Then you're gonna get the Rotate tool. You click here, and then you click at the guy. Okay, and then you control him, control to make a copy. Then you drag him side this much, and then you type X10. And it makes 10 copies of him around the circle. Does it make sense? Now, at this point, since we know how to make copies, this is what you're gonna do. Can you please make a circle here? So make a circle like this. Yes. You will see. Just listen to my instructions. Just make a circle like this. All right. I need to know the center of my circle. The only way to understand where the center is using measure tape, tape measure. Do you remember the shortcut for tape measure? It's letter T. T. So click on T. Okay, it's gonna switch to this tape. You see tape measure? Now you want to add, so you want to click on the corner like this. You guys following? And then you move your pointer towards the middle. So you see, guys, okay, wait a minute. So tell me, what shape is that pointer here? What shape is it? It's diamond. It's diamond, isn't it? I want it to be blue circle. So keep moving it. Keep moving it until you have blue circle. Is it blue circle? Yes. Then you click once, it's gonna add a dashed line. So this dashed line passing through the center, but I still cannot see the center. So you need to add another dashed line from here to there. Now you see the intersection of these two lines is the center of the circle. Does that make sense? So please add these two dashed lines using measure tape tool. I want to, now at this point, I want you to add a circle here, guys. Here you want to add another circle. Here. Can you add a circle here? This big. Do you guys have it? You see? Add a circle like this. So here, next step is, you see, this circle have two halves, right? I want to delete this half. So use erase tool to erase this half. Look, erase tool and erase these two halves like this. I just need a half. Do you guys have it? Next step is click on select tool and click on select tool and select this half circle. How do I know it's selected? By its color. You see it's highlighted, right? The next step is what we did with the person. You're gonna get the rotate tool, click on the center of the circle, click on the center of the circle, click at the half circle. Okay, click on control and then turn it a little bit like this. And then X10. X10. All right, guys, look, my circle is overlapping. Okay, you still can fix it. Just put X9, enter, and it's gonna be fixed. Does it make sense? Okay, guys, now we have this many copies. So what we're gonna do next is, Kendall, I'll answer your question. Just give me 1 second. You're gonna use your erase tool and erase the half circles like this. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, you make this object. Okay, and then you're gonna use push pull to pull it up, and then it's gonna look like a Greek temple pillar. Does it make sense? Here. You see it? Okay.